Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use vignettes on the Snapseed application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the right bar, tap to the pencil icon, and here you can find the first row and tap to the last button, the vignette, and just click to the circle at the middle of the screen and just find pause, and you can set the brightness. If you click to the adjust button at the lower side, you can set the outer brightness or the inner brightness, and if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.